If your favorite words are happy and blessed, then you should be happy and feel blessed as you're in the right place. Thanks to adjectives, and the language has many more such expressive ones. Learning adjectives is a unique and effective way to learn the language. So, it's time to get started. In this session, we are going to be looking at what exactly an adjective is and how they are used to describe nouns. Let me start this session with an activity. You've got a picture here. Look at it carefully and describe what you see in the picture. It looks like a monster. And that's why let me give our story a title, The Monster. Let us now start describing. It's a monster. The monster has eyes. The monster has a body. The monster has arms. The monster has teeth. The sentences looks fine, but with no much details. But if you were to add an adjective into the sentences, like, it's a colorful monster. The monster has 2 eyes. The monster has a green body. The monster has tiny arms. And the monster has sharp teeth. Can you see what just happened to the sentences after adding adjectives? The words in orange color are the adjectives. You see, the moment you added adjectives, you were able to give a clearer picture of what you were trying to describe. For example, in the sentence, the monster has a green body, the noun body was made more specific by introducing an adjective green. That's why adding adjectives allows the listener to get a better understanding of the object that is being talked about. Adjective is a word that tells us more about a noun. So in simple terms, an adjective is a word that is used to describe a noun. Let us now try to understand the exact definition of an adjective. Adjective is a word that is used with the noun to describe or to point out or to tell the number or the quantity which the noun names. As I mentioned earlier, an adjective is a word that is used with a noun to describe a noun. So let us look at a few examples to understand the functions of adjectives better. Here in this example, Alexa is a clever girl. The adjective is easy to spot because it comes immediately before the noun it describes. So adjective clever describes the noun girl. Adjective is also used with the noun to point out a noun. Take for example, I like that flower. Here, the word that functions as an adjective when it is used to modify a noun. The adjective that emphasizes which object you are talking about, clarifying which noun the speaker is referring to in the sentence. In this example, adjective that modifies the noun flower. It is used to indicate which flower is shown, pointed to, or mentioned. Adjective is also used with the noun to tell the number which the noun refers. In this example, he gave me 5 books. Here, 5 gives information about the exact number of books in the sentence. Adjective is also used with the noun to express the quantity which the noun refers. In this example, he drank some milk. Here, the adjective some is used to show mainly measurement, although the measurement is rarely exact. Adjective tells exactly how many or how much of something there is. Adjectives are important in terms of description and that extra information they provide and how they are used to help us picture the content we read. To know what they add and contribute, let us try a few simple examples and try to identify adjectives. He is an honest man. In this example, the word honest shows the quality or a feature of a person, saying what somebody is like. And this kind of adjective is called descriptive adjective. It need not always be about a person but can also be about the kind and the quality of a thing as well. In this example, descriptive adjective honest describes the quality of a person. Let's take another example. Scooby is a brave dog. Here, the descriptive adjective brave describes the quality of the dog. There are a kind of adjectives that are formed from proper nouns. Like in this example here. In this example, if you see, Germany is a name of a country and must start with the capital letter. And we all know Germany is a proper noun. The adjective based on Germany is German and must also start with the capital letter. In this example, the adjective German describes the kind of cars. Alexa wore a silk dress. Here, the adjective silk talks about the quality or the kind of dress Alexa was wearing, thereby describing the noun dress. Let us now look at another example. We now know that adjectives are describing words. And have you ever noticed that we often use shapes to describe things like circular, rectangular, or maybe triangular, square? If you see in this example, we bought a round table. Here, the adjective round talks about, or I can say describes the shape of the table, thereby modifying the noun table. Let us now look at another example. The city has fantastic beaches. See, there are some adjectives which give us factual information about the noun, like the age of the noun, the size of the noun, the color of the noun, or the shape of the noun. While there are other adjectives which provide someone's evaluation or judgment about something or somebody. When we need to describe our thoughts about something or somebody, we use adjectives like friendly, nice, beautiful, and fantastic is one such adjective. Here, the adjective fantastic describes the extraordinarily good quality of the noun beaches. We know that adjective describes noun. It also tells us the exact number of something. It also gives information about the position or place and shows the order of the things in series they stand. So in this example, third place goes to Alexander. Here, the adjective third gives information about the position and shows the order in series of the noun being described. I hope you found this video useful and informative. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe.